Hello, myself Palkumar Pathak. This is the first part of the JS game development project where I have built a game called ClickCounter. It is a fast-paced game where you need to click as many times as you can in 10 seconds. I would like you to walk through all the features of this game, starting from the first one. When you load the game, you would need to enter your name as a part of JavaScript prompt, after entering which your name will be displayed as a part of a beautiful gradient box on the top of the page. Also, when you refresh the page, it will again and again ask for your name, which helps multiple users to play the game on a single device. Starting with the game, when you start the game, the time counter starts counting down from 10 and the start game button disables itself, which stops the user from restarting the game again and again. Also, on starting the game, active click me button appears, on clicking which the current score is updated as itself, and the high score is also updated if the current score is more than the high score. Also, in this situation, a beautiful fireworks celebration is present and displayed on the background of the game. Also, the status message is updated according to the high score, that you scored more than the high score. If in a situation I scored less than the present high score on the page, then too the status message on the bottom of the page will be updated, like you scored lower than the previous high score, and a comparison between both the scores will be also displayed there. Another feature present in the game is, if I need to pause the game anytime, I can just click on the pause button, which will completely freeze the complete page, including all the buttons and everything present on the page. Also, on resuming the game, it will just start exactly from where I left off. These were some of the features. Also, if I need a complete fresh start of the game, I can just click on the reset high score, which resets all the values of the page to their default values, and you can just start the game again. These were some of the features of the game. I would like you to quickly break down the concepts that I use in building this game, starting with the first one, the local storage. I use the concept of local storage to store the high score on the browser's storage on the device. Like if a user closes the browser anytime, then too the high score will be present on the same page, which helps them to compare their scores on the device. Next concept, which is one of the important concept of the JS, which is DOM manipulation. It is the concept that I use here, which helps me to dynamically update the scores, and also dynamically update all the contents present on the page. Also, next concept that I used is the add event listener. Add event listener is the concept as its name suggests. It listens to the event created by the user. Like click on this game. If I click on any of the button will perform their own required functions. Another concept that I used in this game is of the set interval and clear interval. They are the concepts used to control the time. Set interval is used to start the time, and clear interval stops the time. Also, next concept that I use here is conditional logic. The comparisons between the high score and current score, which helps me to update the status message on the bottom of the page, are done using the concept of conditional logic. So these were some of the concepts which makes the full control of the game to the user to make a great gaming session. Also, this is the complete ClickCounter game. It is a fun combination of gameplay with JavaScript fundamentals. I would like to mention that my high score is 31. If let's see if anyone can beat this, I would like you to comment your high scores in the comments below. If you want the link to the game or the source code, it is present in the description below. If you want to get more updates related to JavaScript games or any other coding course, you can get it on this page. Thank you very much.